Hello there, this is Mike Earn, and this is the weekly Forex market forecast or update. And before we get started, let's take a look at our product. The Mike Earn Premium Forex Signal Service, which goes for $200 monthly, is available. What we provide in this signal service is highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to the highest level. You can go through the channel and check out the review of our past trades on this premium forex signal service and see for yourself how profitable we have been. And this is going to keep getting better. The signal service is going to keep getting better as time goes by. So just you can join us by copying my link in the description below. That's my direct contact, and chat me up directly. Copy the link, put it in your browser, my direct Telegram contact, and chat me up and let me know if you're ready to join us. It is $200 monthly, and of course you can see that you can also earn 10% subscription, 10% of the commission for referring others. That is also available, just an incentive for you to let other traders that you know be part of what we do. So let's get into today's business. Now we're starting with the USD-CHF currency pair. And we've seen the USD-CHF currency pair range around the zone. I spoke about the market not moving so well. That was 2 weeks ago now, but I mean it's still ranging around that same zone, right? So what we're going to do is to keep our fingers crossed and also maintain the same expectation. You've seen that range, right? So we maintain the same expectation, which is that we want to see the market to move, give us an extended move either to this downside of the 0.8927 zone, or to this higher point of the 0.91874 zone. So if it gives us any of those scenarios and at this point at the 0.91874 zone, if it violates that zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then we can look forward to a sell, right? But if it comes into the 0.89272 zone and gives us a bullish day close above, then we can anticipate a bullish move from that point. So we still have our fingers crossed, and we're waiting for the market to play out as we expect it, right? So we're moving on to the next one, the Gbpusd. Now let's take a look at the weekly. Now from the weekly time frame, you can see that we have this trend line in play, right? We see that this trend line has been in play for some time, and what we expect is that there's a possibility the price goes back to this trend line, and before it gives us a move to the downside. Let me show you this as well. So I think we can also look at that as well, that we might actually be this might actually be a penchant. I think that is what it is called. I don't remember what those things are called these days anymore. So I think we should expect something like this, where we have the price come back into this trend line before it eventually falls off. But of course, that doesn't mean it must happen that way, right? I just thought to let you see that idea. So another thing that could happen is that the market at this point gives us a bearish day close below this 1.26921. If the market gives us a bearish day close below the 1.26921, then we can look forward to a sell, right? We can look forward to a sell from this point, maybe at least into the 1.25986, at least, or even below, much below that, there's a possibility it goes lower than that, right? So that is a huge possibility for the new week, and I think I would keep my fingers crossed and fingers crossed for that one. I think we should go. I think that's enough for the Gbpusd. It will take a while for the market. I think it will take a while for the market to come in here. But just in case the market comes in here, if price comes to this 1.24271 area and gives us a bullish day close above, then we should expect a bullish move, to the upside. And judging by the trend right now, I think, well, I can't say for sure if it's going to be really bullish or very bearish. So what I'll just say is that expect a little bullish move if the market comes into the zone and gives us a day close below above that zone, a bullish day close above that zone, and expect maybe a little bullish move to the upside before the market continues downwards. So Euro USD. Now this is the weekly time frame for Euro USD. What are we looking at for Euro USD? Well, we also see the possibility of the market coming into the zone, into this area, this diagonal resistance before, which we call the trend line, before we see a bearish move. But of course, we might see a bearish move before that time. So let's take a closer look on the daily. Now, what should we expect from here? What I will look out for is that if we get the market, come into the zone, if the market comes into the zone, we see the market come into the 1.07802 area and gives us a bullish day close above, then we can as well anticipate a little bullish move right there. Yeah, but if we see the market if we see price come into this 1.09872 zone and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then we should also anticipate bearish moves. This analysis are done using the daily candle or the daily time frame as our entry time frame. So we can expect a bearish move from that zone and even a larger or a really big bearish move, depending on whatever happens. And this entire move would just have been a deep retracement, right? A deep retracement, and that would just be a continuation of the downtrend. That's also a possibility. So another thing for us to watch out for right there. And I think that's enough for Euro USD. Let's go to Usdjpy. Usdjpy, same old story. Nothing to look out for. Just waiting for the market to look for some support down here before we can look for opportunities to buy, or if the market crashes below that, and comes into the 146.654 area, then maybe we can look for bullish moves from that zone, right? But this just to say that if the market comes into the 151.65 zone and gives us a bullish day close above, we can look for opportunities to buy, because this is a bullish market. So we can really expect some really big bullish moves because the market is really bullish right now. But if the market crashes into the 146.654 area, then we can and gives us a bullish day close above, then we can also look for bullish moves from there. We can look for buy opportunities from there. In fact, I'll be more confident in this kind of buy opportunity because there is a lot of extended move and the market is sellers at this point might already have been stressed out, pushing the market this low in a bullish market where the buyers are in charge. So the buyers can, take it up from here higher than previous times, and that will be a really good extended move to look out for. I hope what I said is clear. So that's what I'll be looking at in these markets, right? So just to round it off, introduce you to, I'll talk about my products again. The premium forex signal service. I'll never get tired of talking about my products because I know the potential of this, how this can potentially change your financial life for the best. I know how terrible the forex market can be, how people have lost a lot of money and keep struggling day in, day out, every day of their lives, trying to recoup and trying to make their money back. But you see, with a premium forex signal service, you can sit down, relax, and just expect signals from us, signals that would help you to make profits, a lot of profits. Who says signals don't work? Signals do work because I don't understand the logic of saying signals don't work, because if you give profitable signals, you definitely would people will definitely make money. If you take profitable signals, you definitely will make money. If you take it, the way you should be taking it, you definitely make money. So it doesn't make sense to say signals don't work. Maybe you can say many signals providers do not know what they're doing. Maybe that's a better argument. So the premium forex signal service is here for you. With $200 monthly, you can get highly profitable signals that can take your trading to the highest possible level. So come on board. $200 is actually is nothing compared to the value you'll be getting from the premium forex signal service. So like I said before, my contact is in the description below, my direct Telegram contact. Copy the link, paste it, and let's have a conversation. Paste it in your browser, and let's have a conversation on Telegram. Tell me you're interested to join, and you can come on board. Alright, thanks for your time. Bye for now.